Kia ora koutou. This is our Little Learners Love Literacy Stage 2 video. So if your learner is in Stage 2, it means that following our sequence that they have got the letters and sounds in Stage 1 and that they've been able to read words made up from those letters. They will likely have had a range of texts like this at Stage 1 and now they have moved on to Stage 2. So in Stage 1 they learnt 8 letters and the sounds that were attached to those letters, and now there are another 8 that we go through. So what will be coming home with your learner includes this. So these are the 8 letters and also the heart words, and you may have noticed that the heart words are actually the same at Stage 2 as they were at Stage 1. So continuing to practice to read and write those heart words is really important. So when you get this, cut out all the bits and pieces. So they will look like this. And it's really important and useful to go through with your learner to say the sound connected to that letter. We want to have the pure sounds. So for example, when we're saying this one, D, we want to make sure that they are saying D, not D, because if they say D, it's 2 sounds, D, D. So we want D, oops, D, N, B, G, V, so V, not V, V, O, L. So those are the letters. There are also the heart words. So we've got I, we've got the with an uppercase and lowercase, and same with my uppercase and lowercase. When you're looking at the heart words, we don't want them to just be trying to memorize the look of the whole word. We're actually wanting the learner to connect the letter and the sound. So for example, and we do this in class, if you're looking at my, you might say to the learner, what sounds do you hear in my? They should be able to go, I, my. So then you could say, well, what's the first sound you hear in my? And they should know from Stage 1 that that would be So they could write it underneath. I. The next sound is I, but we represent that in this word with the letter Y. This is the part that is a little bit trickier, and this is the heart part of our word. The bit we need to remember by heart. I, my, start with an M and a Y representing that I sound. In class, we do use a range of different books and texts. So your learner will likely bring home one of our Pip and Tim books, like this. You'll notice on the back that it has got the names of the books and that stage and the letters as well. We also use in class other texts. For example, we have got some non-fiction texts that some of our learners use. They've got some great illustrations and they're really engaging real life context, which is awesome. These ones don't come home, so these are the ones that you'll find in your learner's reading folder. They'll likely bring home around 1 a week. This may change depending on if they're still working on connecting the letters and the sounds, so that may be a little bit of a delay before they bring their first book in that stage home, or they may be moving a little faster through and get more than 1. Check out the How to Help at Home video for some ideas on how else you can help your learner at home.